Get ready to savor a slice of London's charm as we embark on an extraordinary virtual journey to a student accommodation that's nothing short of magical. Nestled in the heart of London, Leisure Way Finchley N12 presents a premium student accommodation with a splendid array of ensuite apartments for you to choose from. Each room is meticulously designed, offering the cozy bed with bedside table, a dedicated study area, spacious wardrobe, and ample storage space to keep your world organized. And when the day's adventures are done, wash away your worries in your own private bathroom and whip up a heartwarming meal with friends in the well-equipped shared kitchen. But there's more. Unwind in the cinema room, take a dip in the serene swimming pool, and hit the on-site gym complete with a soothing spa. And the cherry on top, all your utility bills are included in the rent. Commuting is a breeze with the London Studio Centre just a short 7-minute bus ride away, and Middlesex University London campus a convenient 10-minute drive from your doorstep. And when the weekend beckons, you can explore the city's gems with renowned spots like the Regent's Park, the iconic Hyde Park, and the serene Kensington Gardens, all within your reach. So don't let your dreams stay in the clouds. Visit amberstudent.com and unveil the magic of Leisure Way Finchley N12 today.